So today guys, I'm gonna show how to transfer to vampire. It's simple to transform to vampire. So you need to download this app, and then you need to click this, and then this, and then this, and then you have to download Minecraft. Or you have money Minecraft, or download crafting, not crafting dito. Yes guys. And then that way that you come in is gonna work on the iPhone and Android tab. And then you need to create a word, and then you need to come here, and then guys, like subscribe guys. And then here like subscribe button, but guys, like and subscribe in my channel, but if any people can like and subscribe. Guys, and then guys, you need to wait that, and then creative guys. You is guys that have book, and then this, and this. That you that one, the bumper that, and then you need to put in here, and then you need to here.
Subscribe na kayo sa amin.
And then you is but if you are not a creative mode, I have an idea. This guys, you're turning and the survival, and then create, yeah. And then guys click save, and then guys you have that guys, this, and then wait it, and then wait it too, and then wait that.
So guys, dito na tayo. Grabe ang diet.
And that guy, and then you have any item, something, and then heart, vinegar, and then guys, you guys, and then guys you need to wait.
Pinakabiglaan sa lahat.
guys, and it's working, guys.
Huwag na natin ulitin to. Para niya na yung ang dami namin ano nun eh. Atras sa bati. Laro, cancel. Sige, tuloy natin. Ay, wag na. Malilate na. Tuloy natin. Ay, wag na. Malilate na hanggang sa banda uli. Nagdesisyon. Sobrang late na.
Yes.
Tuloy.
I'm not a vampire, but I'm just a vampire. Okay. 1 minute or gonna turn a vampire. It's gonna work, guys. Guys, who is in the water? You is at the island. Personal. Find island.
Game?
You need to.
So, kasama si Makol. Sobrang biglaan lang to. Wala sa timing. Pero dumami pa rin kahit
And
paano.
you want a
Pero
village.
next time na makasama si Makol.
And then you
Doon talaga
want
sa pinagandaan,
have
pinagplanuhan
a
para
village.
mapil niya yung Dayo series talaga yung
You want a
talaga.
village.
Pero ngayon, mga panood natin.
You need to.
Okay, ready daw.
You want a village. You need to follow this and the rest you want a village.
Lalaki, di babae.
Okay. And then guys, and then it's gonna work too.
Nag-start pala kami ng Dayo series mga 4 or 5 years ago.
And then guys,
Yung
we
ganito
kiss
karaming
to
tao.
can.
Sobrang gulat na gulat kami noon. Tapos pinag-tipo ng Dayo series na talaga.
Guys, we kiss to can.
Araw pinagandaan. Tapos pagdating namin sa court. Yan, ganito karaming tao.
And then guys,
Pero ngayon guys, na-achieve natin yun in less than 1 hour na preparation. Kaya yung mga milestone na gano'n, yun yung mga nagpapaalala sa atin where we started. And
Yan,
ito,
guys,
yung mga
we need
ganun
to
lang yung, yes, biglaan, hindi siya kasing talagang pinagandaan. Pero mga memorable na
guys,
mahirap din kalimutan. Kaya ito yung mga laro na hindi rin natin tatalikuran kahit saan na tayo mapunta. It reminds us
and
kung
then
saan tayo
guys,
mapunta.
this waited. And then guys, another way. You can transfer to vampire. Yes, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then that. And then you have an item. And then you need to create it, guys. Okay, you need to create it. Okay, and then that. What you have take off. What you have guys, you die and do not you die. You need to I like this after die. Yes. You cannot die. Okay. How?
Igor. Ako yung angkor ka. Dapat natin yan. Ka.
Ayun.
Wala mo ikuha sa SD.